Welcome to the Sage Gator family. Today we're going to review the verification process and what you need to know. Let's get started. What is verification? Verification is a process used to verify certain information on the FAFSA. Approximately 30% of all FAFSAs filed will be selected for verification. If selected, completion of the verification process is mandatory in order for the Financial Aid Office to process your grants, scholarships, and student loans. You may be wondering why you were selected for verification. Please be assured you did nothing wrong. There are two ways to be selected for verification. The first is selection by the Department of Education, and the second is selection by the institution. Here are some of the reasons why the Department of Ed may have selected your FAFSA, and here are some of the reasons why the institution may have selected your FAFSA. Remember, 30% of all FAFSA filed will go through the verification process. How will you know you've been selected for verification? Well, there are three ways. The first is once your FAFSA is completed, you'll receive a Student Aid Report, or SAR. If there is an asterisk by your expected family contribution, or EFC, this is an indication that you've been selected for verification. You'll also receive notification from the SAGE Office of Financial Aid. This will come either via email or letter. You'll also want to monitor the student portal, your MySage Aid account, for requested documentation. What do I need to do now? First, don't panic. Make sure you're checking MySage Aid to see what information is needed. Submit all required documents in a timely manner. Make sure you monitor your SAGE email for requests for additional information. You wouldn't want to miss anything that the Financial Aid Office sent you, and pay attention to deadlines. Some of the documentation that may be requested would be a signed verification worksheet, a copy of your federal tax return, your W-2s or a wage statement. If you don't file your taxes, proof of non-filing. Sometimes you'll be required to send in proof of separation or divorce, or proof of child support received or paid. If asked to verify your income, it is highly recommended that you use the IRS data retrieval tool, which automatically transfers your income information from irs.gov to your FAFSA. This is the fastest and easiest and most accurate way for our office to verify your income. If you didn't file a tax return, you may be asked to submit additional information, as indicated here. Still have questions? Feel free to contact the Financial Aid Office at the following numbers. Our Troy office can be reached at 518-244-4525. Our Albany office could be reached at 518-292-1783. And you can always email us at faverification@sage.edu. We're looking forward to helping you. Have a great day.